Hey, so this episode is about how your guide inside or your gut feeling or whatever you want to call it can help you in social settings. Because I was at this dinner, right? Talking to two women. Well, actually, I was mostly talking to one. Because the other one, I really got the feeling she didn't like me. She looked skeptical. She didn't say anything. When I tried to involve her in the conversation, she was just really, really quiet and weird. And I used my glasses. If you've seen previous videos, you know that you can, well, I believe you can talk to your guide inside by swinging the glasses like a pendulum. So I was sitting there, right? And I had my glasses just balancing like that, down below, of course. And I was so, because if people don't like you, you never know. They might be shy, or there's tons of reasons why you think they don't like you, but you might be wrong, right? So while I was talking to this woman, I just asked quietly in my mind, because I had a question I was really curious about the shy or woman who appeared to didn't like me. And I just asked inside, holding the glasses like this, and I asked, should I talk to her? And it moved like this, yes. Or maybe I asked, should I ask this question to her, the other woman? And now it's going bigger, yes. And I haven't noticed, well, I haven't told you that I think if you get a big yes, like now, that's a big yes. If it's only slightly moving, that might be a smaller yes, but it's still a yes. So you can see the degree of the answer based on the movement and how powerful the movement is. So I turned to this woman and I asked the question, and it was a great success. It was really, really good that I did that. So thank you, guide inside. So the learning points here, you don't have to, I'm a big fan of speaking intentions out loud, but that would be weird in that dinner conversation, doing that. So it works really well inside. And your guide is connected to us all the time. So often you get a swing and a reply before you're done answering the question, asking the question. And that's a good sign. Started moving when you start asking, and you can ask in your mind, not a problem, and you will get immediate response. And the first answer, the first response, is always the one to go with. So just wanted to share that. Have you seen yesterday's video? I went shopping with my guide inside, and we bought this. I was guided with my glasses to food that is healthy for me. So that's yesterday's video. Tomorrow, my living situation is really weird because I travel a lot, and I don't want to pay for a full apartment when I'm not there. So I'm kind of in limbo, where to live and what to do when I'm home in Norway. So I did a thing today on video. I'm going to share it on the vlog tomorrow at 4 o'clock. It's about how I intend to find a solution to my living situation. And remember, this vlog is, it's me. Might appear like it's all about me. My ego likes that, but it's actually not. It's using myself as an example for what you can do when you are in a social situation, how you can find food that is good for you, and what you can do to find a home. So that's tomorrow. Okay, see ya.